what you see is from Ultra Pack. What I have is from Ultra Pack. I'm James Clifford Villarmino. I'm the owner of JS AgriLife Distributions Incorporated, located at Liloan, Santander, Cebu, and 18 years doing business with Ultra Pack EDM. Way back 2008, the business was started by my wife. So, since ako may iyang gipabantay sa store, the first day, ang sales na ko is 79. So, I asked myself, dili na ako mabuhi akong pamilya. At the same time, kulang ako, o akong igasto, kuwang regular in a daily basis. But moving forward, i-generate livelihood sa days namin. So, before, one employer ako. But now, I have 80 plus employees. So, that 80 plus employees, dako kay na sila tabang Ultra Pack. Kay nabuhi ilang pamilya and all. So, di-generate yun siya livelihood. So with relationship with EDM Ultra Pack, mayo among relasyon. The more you grow, daghan kang opportunity nga makuha, and one factor gyud ana, musalig na sila nimo. So to end user, akong i-recommend yun mo to gamit sa Ultra Pack. Kay based sa akong nakita na perfect gid siya iyang formula nga mokita gyud tag dako compared to other brand. So 5 years from now, hoping more to come, more volume, more and everything, and ma-dominate on whatever maganda. To all mga business owner and aspiring magnegosyo, all I can say is ang mga oportunidad maabot gyud na kung good payer ta, then kamo ta mo dala og customer. After sales is very important yun. To EDM Ultra Pack, it's an honor and privilege to be your business partner. And looking forward more years to come, and daghang salamat.